All right, welcome to this crypto investment tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create a crypto investment website. From you can see that this website is really sleek, it's looking nice. So generally, I'm going to show you how to create this type of site. Comes with a plan. You have your starter, the standard, the advanced, and pro plan. So you can actually see that we also have a plan profit calculator. So you can actually calculate how much profit they will make for each investment they make on this site. So we have your step. There's this step describe how users will actually register and withdraw and enjoy. So this is a full package crypto investment website, and I'm going to show you how to create it. It's basically simple. So it comes with a for a register, so your student can actually register and your student can um log in. So these are the registration place, so for them to just put in their details and all. And basically they can also log in if they have an account. So you can have two modes. You have your light mode, okay, and you have the dark mode. So it comes with two mode. It comes with plans. So the plan is called a schema. So if you click on this, you're going to see the plans here. All right. So you just can put it in the dark mode, and you can see it comes with a blog. You have your contacts page and all. So I'm going to show you how you can edit each and every one of the stuff. So generally you also have your admin dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to log in into your admin dashboard. You have your admin dashboard. You can see the general dashboard, the general overview of everything. You can see the total users, that means registered users, your active, your site staff. You can see your total deposit. One of the reason I love this script is because of the referral. So people can actually refer and in on your site. So your site can go as wide as, so people can come register, um invest, make their money, and also refer to their friends and people around them, and also get a commission for that. So you can actually go through this. You see, we have your customer, we have your KYC, which is know your customers. You have your management role, your management staff. It comes with, if you come back to this front end, I just want to show you something, because it's not just to have a crypto website, but to have a website that supports multiple payments. So it comes with multiple payment gateways, and you can also do an automated payment for crypto using coin payments or a manual. So people can just send you to your crypto wallet and you confirm it through the site. So you can see all of that here. So we support email, we support multiple languages. You can see how to, I'll show you how to do all of these once we get into. So I don't want to take much of your time. So I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial. I'm going to walking you through the process of how I created this. And you can make as much as 200, 300, 500,000 creating a crypto website for your clients. And the good thing is you do not need any coding knowledge or programming knowledge at all. I'm going to show you how to do that in easy and simple step that anybody can do. So this is one skill you should take out time and go through the video and watch it and learn how to do it, because it's going to pay you a lot. Secondly, I just want to share with you that I have a pro class in case you're interested in building more of this and having an advanced future. So I'm just going to show you through this. So this is going how you can. I'm going to show you this in my pro class. If you're interested, this tutorial is totally free. Just want to show you this. If you're interested, so I'm going to show you how to create beautiful websites, and especially crypto investment sites. So I have this team that offers you multiple templates that you'll be able to create different types of landing page, different types of crypto investment sites. So for any clients, once you just have this one team, you're good to go. So it offers you a lot of features. So I don't want to go much on it. So you have your NFT landing page, NFT collection, you have your crypto trading exchange and all. So this, by the way, in case you're just interested, just tell me that. But back to what we are saying. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating a crypto investment site, and I'm going to walk you through how I did it in very simple step. Gets you to start making money through crypto investment. Catch you in the main class where I walk you through this process. Let's go. All right, so welcome back. Now I'm going to be walking you through the process of how to get this website going. So basically, if you are new and you're doing this for the first time, so this is going to be your Namecheap dashboard. Okay, so if you've paid for Namecheap hosting and gone through the process, this is going to be your dashboard. All right, so I have two domain here, right? But if you're using a different domain, if you're not new to the whole website hosting process and you have a separate domain in another hosting company or with another hosting company, process will just be similar. All right, so just follow through and you will get it. For Namecheap users, this is how it is done. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your C panel. So for this, you have just follow the process. So we have click on your C panel, then the next thing we have to do is probably your cPanel may take some time or not, depending. All right, so come to search and search for File Manager. All right, so just click on the File Manager. Now, if this is your first account, okay, your first hosting account and all, you just come to public underscore HTML. This should be free. You shouldn't have anything here. Generally, I already have a site here, so I will not be using my domain. I will use a subdomain. But for you, you shouldn't have anything here. Probably may have two of the files looking like this or something. So what you do is you click on select all, then you click on delete. Now make sure that you click or make sure you tick this keep the trash so that you don't go to trash. You want your trash to be empty. So and click on confirm. But for me, I'm not going to do any of that because I want my website to be on a subdomain. Remember, for you, you have to go through do with that. You have to use your public underscore HTML because that's where your domain is. For me, I'm going to be using a subdomain. So I'm going to be using skill.zflystudios.com. So my own is empty. So yours should be empty. So the next thing you want to do, and for those using different hosting, make sure you get your file manager and you'll be able to do same. So what we'll do is we click on upload and I'm going to be uploading the scripts, right? That we'll be using for this. So generally, the script will be provided for you, so you don't have to worry. Just send me a message or click on the link to just pay for it, and you get access to the script. So all of this will be provided for you, so you don't have to worry. So like I said, just click on the link, either pay for it directly or just send me a message, and I will respond to you via WhatsApp and I will show you how you can go about getting this script. So once the script is actually uploaded complete, it will be green. So just do a click on go back and you have the script. So the next thing you want to do is you want to right click on it, make sure it's highlighted, right click on it and click on extract. We're going to extract this file. So we'll click on close. Okay, so this file has been successfully extracted. So what you want to do is you want to sorry about this. You want to go to your website, okay? Front end of your site. I mean, just click on the link and go to it. All right, so what you notice is you get this PHP version 8.1.0, and so we don't have this version. So what we need to do is we need to go to our C panel. That is where we're going to be updating the version. So just make sure to go to your C panel. Now on your C panel, you're going to be searching for PHP. And you see PHP version, click on it. So this may take some time. So what we'll do is we have version 7.4. We're going to click on it. I'm going to be taking the latest version, which is 8.1. So we'll click on the apply so that this will be applied to our ORC panel version, which will be applied to our script. So when that's done, you just go back and we're going to refresh. Now, generally, we'll get this error, so don't worry about this. The next thing we want to do is we'll try doing clicking adding install, but it sure will not still work. So I was just going to do it and show you. So it's not going to work. So what we need to do is we need to go to our C panel again, and this time around, we're going to be searching for our database. So generally, we have our 8 points, which is our latest version. So we're going to be searching for database. So we're going to be clicking on my SQL database. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to be creating our database. So first I will need to get a note. Now this is where I'll be saving the details. Please, you should do that also. So for the data, we'll just type data. You can give it any name. I'll click on create database. So generally, this is the database. So we're going to be using the name data. So for you, you can use anything. So next, you want to make sure you're saving this. All right. So you just save, and we're going to be posting it to our notes. So make sure you have somewhere you are saving it. We'll be needing it. It's very important. So click on go back. The next we want to do is to create our database user. So first we've created the database. Now it's to create the database user. For this, we'll also use data, and we're going to click on password generator. Now we're going to copy the password that has been generated and click on I have copied the password and use password. Then we make sure to save the password also. Remember to save. Then click on create user. So basically, we've created our database and we've created our database user. So the next thing we want to do, which is very important, remember your database name. Remember, it's very important. So we're going to join the database and your database user. So we're going to link them together. So on the user, you make sure you look for data. On this, you also make sure you have the right name. Then we're going to click on add. All right, make sure to click on all privileges, go down and click on make changes. So these changes are going to be applied to everything. All right. So the next thing we want to do right away is to go back to our site. Sorry, to our cPanel. Then yes, we go to EVN, right click on it and click on edit. Then click on edit again. Now, the details we got from the database and the database user and the password are going to be inputting it here. So just follow the process and you'll get it for yourself. So make sure you look for DB, which is start for database. So now we need to get the details and fill it up in that space. So first we copy our database name, which is also the name database user. So we're going to copy first the database and paste it. So we're going to paste it there. Then we'll also do the same for database username where you see root. We're going to paste it there. The next thing we want to do is to get our password. So this is why it's important you save it and keep it safe. So we're going to do that on the password section. I'm going to paste that there. Then we'll make sure to click on save changes. Once we do that, we can come to our site and refresh. Now you will still get this error. So basically what we need to do is to upload our SQL, my SQL. So basically I just want to make sure I clear the install that was there before. So what we need to do is we're going to install a file known as my SQL file. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you first go to your cPanel and you're going to search for PHP admin. So go down, you see PHP admin, you make sure to click on it. So just give it time to reload. It will take you to the PHP admin. Now you notice we have a lot of database here. So it's important that you know the name of your database so that you don't make mistake. All right, and you also notice that some of these database are not empty. For our own, which is data, you notice that it's totally empty when we open it up. But some other database here where a site is already existing in are not empty. This one is also empty. So you notice this is not empty. So let's just go right into importing our SQL database. So we just click on data. The next thing we want to do is click on import. Click on import. Now we're going to click on choose file. Then we're going to get our SQL file. Then we'll go down and click on import. So sometimes this may take time, but mine will not take time. But yours may take time depending on your system and how fast your internet connection is. So our database has been fully imported. So we need to go back to our site, and what we're going to do there is just going to refresh everything, and everything should be working perfectly. Now you see everything is working perfectly. Welcome to your Hyip investment platform to make more money online. So you're looking how sleek and how awesome it's looking. So it's basically simple. So sorry that the video may look seem long, but it's basically simple. And once you master this process, you are good to create any type. All right, so you can see how beautiful and how sleek it is exactly how I showed you in the introductory video. It's looking beautiful, it's looking perfect. We're going to make some few changes here. I'm going to show you how you can make those changes. I'm going to show you how you can go to the admin part of your website. You can see all the plans and everything that was explained to you in the introduction of this video. And so the major thing now is I'm going to show you how to edit this, how to change the text, and how to change some parts. So first we need to go to our admin. We'll click on, then add admin, and just click on your enter key. All right, so I'm going to put my admin details. Oh, I made a mistake. So I'm just going to correct that and put in the right admin details there. Sometimes it's just a mistake. So I will be giving you all of this. So don't worry. All of this will be in the full package when you request for it. So just click on login and it takes us to our admin backend. So basically, this is how the admin backend is looking. Cancel that. You can see we have our total withdrawal, we have our active user site, we have so much more. We have the total automatic gateway and all. For me, one of the most beautiful thing I love about the script is the fact that we can refer and in. So let me just open the front end of the site here. All right. So one of the things I love is the fact we have our total referral. People can refer. So okay, this is the front end of our site as you can actually see. So what I want to do is I want to make changes so you can actually see the changes that are being made. All right. So you can see we have our settings. We're going to click on site settings. Now we can change your logo. It's pretty simple. Just click on the logo. It will open up your file where you can choose your logo from a file and just upload them. That's that simple. You can change the currency. You can change your currency depending on the currency you want to use. If you want to use the United States dollar, you can also change your site time zone. It all depends on what you want. So you can change the site time zone. You could change your referral level. Basically, we have your level base, we have your target base, and you can change your symbol, you can change the name of your site, which we'll be doing. It's something you should just take your time and go through, right? It just go through it. We just call our site test, go through it and explore. If you need more guidance, you can actually reach out to me. But basically, it's something you can explore and something you can go through. It's really, really simple. There's no technicality to any of this. I'm going to be showing you how to make some changes and I will let you go so you can explore more of all of this. So here we have your mail settings. Make sure you're putting the right name of your business. Make sure you're also putting your right email details. We have all that plugins, which we have the strict chat for live chats. We have your Facebook analysis and analytics, Google Analytics, sorry, your Facebook manager and all. So basically, these are very important things you should know. So I'm just going to show you how to edit certain pages and I will let you go to explore. So far I know this has been one of an explorative event, something you should learn, something you are enjoying. Okay, so basically it's important that you know that you can make so much money from this. So don't be scared. Just follow through. You can make so much money, and all of this is basic skill that you can learn. First, we see we have all of these details, right? So you have all of these details. You can edit it. Generally, what I'm looking for is our home, but I will not definitely find it here, which I know. But I just want to make sure you are seeing all of these and you can know, okay, this is how I need to edit this and this is how I need to edit that. So these are about us. And is if you look at here, it's looking the same. So you could just change the image, you could change your about us name and all of those stuff. So you could edit the name. So You could edit so much more when it comes to this site. The flexibility is in your imagination, is what you can do. So we're going to just call this what. So we're going to just call this what you will gain. All right. So do well to make sure you're clicking on save changes at the end of everything you are doing. Make sure you're clicking on save changes. So we just click on save changes and we'll go to the front end and we're going to refresh to see that the changes we have made has actually been applied. So you see you will gain. So we're just going to change refresh here. I see you what you will gain. So it's the same thing there. So this is how the system works. There's no big deal about it. So how it works. So we want to go to our landing page, right? So just click on okay. Just leave this. I will take you to the landing page. The landing page is what you use to edit the home page, right? So you just look for the landing page. So you click on it and you see your hero section, you see your schema section. It's what you use to edit the major front side. All right. So if you go to our home, now you see this place, this is your hero. This place you see your Hyip investment. So this is our home page. Now this landing page edits every part of the home page. So first we have to look up the hero section. And if you notice it, it's similar. We have your Hyip investment platform to make money online. And if you click on you see the same thing at the front end of the site. All right, so you see the same thing at the front end of the site. So we're just going to change it to text dot investment platform to make money online. And I just doing this so I can show you how the changes will apply. So we'll just change this to have you considered a solution to support every stage. So we'll just be putting the U there. It's just few changes. Basically you will see this change take effect. Just make sure you click on save changes. Then we'll go to the front end and we're going to refresh this. So always refresh so you can see your changes. You see it's test investment platform to make money. You can now see have you considered. So basically this is how to go about making changes to every aspect of your site. So now we have the pages. The pages is where you're going to make changes on each pages. Then on the landing page, you have to you that's landing page help you to make changes on every section of the landing page, from the hero to the schema, which is the plan, and to every other aspect. So this notice what we are doing. Now, one thing about the schema is there is a different place for you to make the plan. The plan will automatically appear. All right. So if I delete every plan, you will not see any plan here. So you could just change our investment plan, the plan name, and all. So you could see your calculator section. So the plan profit calculation calculator sector. So what we will do is we are going to hide. So you can hide. Okay, so we're just going to hide it and we're going to save changes, and you will notice it will not appear. So you just click on hide, then save changes. Then we'll come to the front side and we'll just refresh this. And if you look, check, the calculator is not there anymore. So it's that simple. So you're going to click on show, then save changes. Then we'll go to the front end and do the same refreshing and check. Now, if you go forward a bit, you're going to see the calculator. So it's that simple. So these are a lot of things you could do with this script. There's so much more. You could deposit. We have your automatic payment gateway. We have the manual payment gateway. There's just so much you can do with this script, and it is left for you to explore. So like I said, you could make a lot of money learning this. You could make a lot of money offering this skill for people out there. And another thing, you can actually make money from selling this script. So why don't you just learn it and explore? There's so much, so much you can do. So I don't want to take much of your time. I'm just going to end this video so that you could explore the rest yourself. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate your time. I appreciate everything you're doing. So, like I said, you can see we have your mobile money, we have your bank transfer. You can add a manual by just clicking on add new and going through the process. It's literally very simple. It's literally very simple. So, like I said, just take your time, explore, enjoy the process. So you could manage, you can do so much more. So, like I said, I'm just going to leave you now. Let me talk so much. So, explore. Please do well to like, do well to follow, do well to subscribe. I'll be dropping more content on how to improve your web designing skill, on how to do all of this without coding. So, please do well to follow, do well to subscribe. Click on the like bell, click on the bell icon so you get notified when I release new videos. Thank you so much. I remain a representative of Ziflight Studios, of Ziflight Tech. So do well to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and have a nice